After the base, we'll be giving a bronzer and a highlighter and a little bit of blusher on the cheeks to give depth to the face and give it a sun-kissed nice look. To start with the bronzing and give it a sun-kissed summery look, I'll be using a little bit of bronzer in an angular brush, and then I'll be putting it right beneath the cheekbones. Bronzer is always put on the outer corners of the face, so I'm putting it below the cheekbones and below the jawline, on the sides of the neck, on the outer corners of the cheeks, outer corner of the forehead. Bronzer always gives you a very natural sun-kissed look, and it also makes your face look thinner. Bronzer also helps in giving shades to the face, so wherever you're putting it, it gives a depth to it because it is a darker shade. Now I'll be putting in a highlighter, and that will also give a depth to a face. It will be an outward depth. So wherever I'm going to put a highlighter, the face is going to pop out. So if I want to give a higher cheekbones, I'll be putting a highlighter here on the corner of the eyes and on the bridge of the nose. So I'll be taking a little bit of highlighter on my thumb palette. Highlighter is never applied after the midway of the cheek. It is always applied on the highest point of the cheeks, that are the cheekbones. Once you're applying it, you can actually feel the bone. You can use a very light shade of a highlighter as well, and you can use shimmers, but I'm right now using a very basic shade of highlighter just to give it a tint of glow. As we have powdered the base first, so to use a cream over a powder, you have to always dab it in and blend it well. Otherwise it might form patches, which you don't want. People who have a very short nose should do it on the whole nose to make it look longer. And people who've got a broader nose can use a bronzer here on the sides of the nose. I'll be using a little bit for her with the same angular brush that I've used before. I'll be just putting a shade, not much, because she's got a very nice nose already. For the blushes, I'll be doing it on just the apple of the cheeks, and I'm using a blusher brush with a very light pink shade. It's a baby pink shade for the blushing, so that it looks very natural and very subtle. Always dab off the extra and then start it off. If you're putting it on the apples of the cheek, use a circular motion. But if you've got a very broad face, then do it in the angular motion from the corner of the face to the middle of the cheek.
For more videos related to beauty, log on to onlymyhealth.com.